My net devours your mutant boss. Oh yeah, I bet you didn't see that one coming. Hey, what are you doing?
Mate, and check.
What? That's cheating!
On the contrary, the rules clearly state all swampflies, toast loggy and snagglebeast. Ooh, it is on again.
Your luck is great, sir. But do you know?
I would not know. Bowser! I never lose.
There is a first time for everything. Agent! You missed. So, the famous secret agent.
Bring the car around.
My boy.
And die this time. Seize corridor.
For more secret agent.
That was...
Yeah, great. Change the channel.
but the man said to seize corridor.
We continue the planet attacked without warning, known as the Once Dr. Nefarious believed that an evil official is the mastermind behind the humanoid attack. As you can see, the Galactic Rangers are no match for these tentacle-eyed terrors. Channel 64 News.
I wonder what's for dinner.
But Veldin is in the Solana Galaxy. Oh no, not the VR spoke if them The untested VR spoke if them The one you built from Bloggy.
Enough.
We are
Ship.
You were saying?
I just stuff.
I just hope we're not too late.
These must be.
Hey, look! It's a new Hypnos!
Huh?
Hypnos, you can have my gun!
Huh?
Die! Am I glad to see you, Hypnos? We're pinned down by that enemy vehicle. Somebody's got it.
Die.
Let me guess. That somebody is
Link.
We gotta volunteer! Hypnos! See from back there!
What's the situation?
Duke Onkled is under attack by the evil forces of Ganon.
Game over, man! We're all gonna end up as scrap metal!
You must die!
Sir, yeah!